Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use command blocks for teleporting. First, you need to get a command block. Open your chat and type /give at pminecraft, command block. Once you have it, place it down and right-click to open its interface. This block is essential for automating complex actions in your world, making teleportation simple and efficient. Now, let's set up the basic teleport command. Inside the command block interface, type /TP followed by your target and the destination coordinates. For example, /TP at P164-200 will send the nearest player to those exact coordinates. Remember to get your precise X, Y, and Z values from your desired location. This is the core of instant travel. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're so good, you'll want to teleport to the store just to get more. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. For more advanced teleportation, you can use relative coordinates. Typing /TP at P10 will move the player 10 blocks forward from their current position. You can also specify rotation. Chaining multiple command blocks allows for complex sequences, like teleporting to a series of locations or triggering events upon arrival. The possibilities are vast with these powerful tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.